Dear Diary, it has been nearly a week since I last broke my phone and have been ordering parts non-stop. Alright, just kidding. But, no, these two boxes did not multiply overnight. Don't remember if I got it in the last part, but here we go. Inside this box, the first one I received from the company, Mobile Defenders, is not a screen. It appears to be the plastic part that the screen is supposed to stick to. Now, in a strange and funny turn of events, apparently Amazon had screwed up my order to them, so they didn't ship this overnight delivery, and it said it was going to come in on the 10th. So I complained to them and said, hey, what's going on? I paid almost $30 to get this overnight. They said, oh, we're sorry, we'll fix that. We will overnight you one. Well, this one came in on the 8th, on the same day the overnight one did, but I wasn't home to sign for the overnight one. As a result, I just got this one today, Friday. And yes, I already opened it because I wanted to check it at the post office. Oh look, they were nice enough to send me the return label so I can mail back the other one. But inside this box is gently exactly what I paid money for. Here on the back we have the not broken LCD with the cables to connect it back into my phone. Here on the front, the glass that isn't broken. And yeah, I have a blue phone. I ordered a black one because that's what they had in stock, and this was the cheapest thing they had on Amazon. So now that I've verified I have the right part, I think it's time to get to work. Oh. Oh, good. Yesterday I got glass. Last time I did this I got glass in my eyes. Haha. No more glass in my eyes. Very tiny, very tiny connectors. Sorry for the mess, honey. I promise I'll clean it up. Moment of truth. Quick, do you fit test? Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. Oh, it's almost there. I snap the connector off. That would be so bad. Son of a bitch. This part, not necessary. It's not in any of the cool YouTube stuff I've seen. However, I don't want to put it all the way back together and find out the screen doesn't work. That worked. 500 missed calls. Fill this back enough to check the screen. Alright, I have some buttons not working, likely because there's stuff not connected. But that's good enough for me. Time to put it together. And there it is, working once again. If you'll excuse me, I have to text my wife and ask her what's for dinner. Just kidding. No, I won't do that. Oh. But anyway, thanks for watching. The channel isn't meant to be a how to fix things that you broke by being an idiot and dropping them out of your pocket when you got out of the car to go to lunch. Nor is it supposed to be something that, I don't even know. I plan to do so much. Mostly a moto vlog. And random. Thanks for watching.